Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think it's very clear that the pound yen is most likely a wave A. I think this is very clearly three waves down, most likely a wave B, and I think we're probably still in a wave C. Definitely no evidence that this wave C is over yet. I mean, it looks like to me a 1, 2, 3. I still don't even see that the wave 3 is over, and it's always possible that it goes up more, and maybe even to that next Fibonacci before it actually makes a wave 4 and a wave 5. For me, the trend is not over until the market proves that it's over with a nice break of structure to the downside. Heading down to the weekly time frame, it's very clear to me that we are still in a wave 3. We definitely don't have a lower high. We definitely do not have a break of structure. We definitely don't have a Fibonacci bounce telling us that this is over. Most likely it's still subdivisions of the wave 3, like a 1, 2, 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, prices all the way back up at these highs, but one thing we have to keep in mind is that there's no Fibonacci level until actually all the way up here around the 202 area. I actually think there's probably a pretty good chance this is going to continue up to about that 202 before we actually do see a bigger push to the downside. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour time frame, we definitely had a pretty impulsive move down. And like I was talking to my premium members today in the morning meeting, it looks like it could be a wave A, looks like it could be a wave B, or maybe even a 1, 2. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on here. If it goes up to a Fibonacci retracement level, makes a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would take it as a sort. It would either go down for a wave C, which would look like that, or possibly a wave 3, which would look like that. Either scenario, if it does make a nice impulsive move at a Fibonacci level, we should take it as a sort, but I would have to see that because otherwise it possibly and maybe even more likely will head up towards that 202 area. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. It definitely does look corrective. It looks like it could be a wave A. It looks like it could be three waves down for a wave B. Looks like it could be a wave C. So if we get a Fibonacci bounce on one of these last few levels, which it could be to 61, 78, either or, if we get a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, nice engulfing and impulsive move to the downside, I think we need to take it as a sort. Probably would prove to us that it is a wave B and that it is going down for a wave C, or it is a wave 2 and it's going down for a wave 3. But either way, I would have to see that because I think that there's definitely a possibility that it bounces, doesn't break structure, bounces, doesn't break structure, and just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows. I honestly think that you should be long anyways because buying the dip on every single one of these pullbacks on these yen pairs has been extremely profitable, and I probably will continue to be extremely profitable. So I am looking for longs on every single pullback I see, and a lot of the times on these yen pairs, you'll see a big old pullback, and you'll think that it's going to keep going, and it just continues the uptrend. So definitely be cautious trying to sort the yen pairs for sure. So, anyways, definitely don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and check out my website if you'd like access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.